Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. In that case, please check your moon sign and the name sign. And for personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So Cancerians, in the recent past, there has been a renewal of emotions or a new beginning in love, or there is something has happened in which you felt a lot of love, a connection, emotions were fulfilled. You felt emotionally satisfied, and there has been an opportunity of new love, or a new love has shown up in your life. It's not that it is from the new person, it can be from anybody, from the past person or anybody, but there is something here which has been emotionally sorted out and now you feel satisfied, something of that sort. You are ready to leave the past as the past and dump it aside so that you can sort of make the best of this new beginning in this connection, whatever this connection is. Okay, you know that the path ahead is tough. Okay, though you are ready to leave the past behind, I do see that you are wanting to travel the path ahead. Okay, but you know it's tough. So it has been tough, even though you know that this connection has shown up, it has been a new beginning in love. You felt emotionally satisfied, you felt that connect, but still the things are not that easy. Still you feel that though you're trying your best, you've dumped the past aside, still things are uh, um, tough for you. Still things have been tough for you. Things, the path hasn't been easy. Though you have that mindset that it is my moon, it is my star, I have to reach those stars and the moons with this person. So you are ready to overcome these obstacles and you have been traveling this tough path with this person. It has been a really complicated and a really tough path, but you feel it's worth it. That is why you travel it. In the present moment, the energies are huge, Cancerians, are huge, Cancerians. See, it's something which is really bringing up. You are showing up in your full strength, power, I should say pride in a good way. You are showing up, I should say, in a royal way. That is the best way to put it. You are showing yourself in a very royal way as far as this situation is concerned, with a lot of patience, perseverance, determinations, with that royalty, what needs to be done, what is the right thing to do. So you are showing up as very powerful and royal right now, even though it is costing you, but you are doing it. Okay, you know that this is the right thing to do, so you're putting that brave front there. Though deep within you are still the same shy person, you are still the same soft person, you still have that timid side of you. It's not that that is gone, but no, it's like you're a lamb or a cub actually, but you're showing up as a lion. Deep within you are still that soft, cute, innocent cub, but you're showing up as a lion because you know you have to put that brave front. But one thing is there, you are really playing smart. You are doing this because you know it is the right thing to do. Somehow what I feel is, though you are acting a bit shrewd and sneaky, but I feel you are playing smart here. You're, because you, it's like, since you know it can be just a defense mechanism, that is one thing. It can be that you know this is the right thing to do to defend yourself. You have to show that I am brave. So maybe that is not, you are not showing that you still have that softer side. You are showing as if you have actually changed to have those energies of a lion, okay, or a lioness. You don't want to show that you're still that soft person. You want to show that now I'm tough. Now I'm tough. It won't be easy for you to deal with me because now I've changed, I've matured, I've become tough, I'm stronger, I'm powerful, because you feel that is right to do. Though deep within you still have that softer side which you feel you don't need to show because that may harm you, and that is what you are playing smart. That is what I feel you are hiding. Maybe you are even scared sometimes. That's what I feel. You are feeling even scared. You sometimes you even sort of hug yourself, try to yourself, what, okay, I am playing so brave, but I am not. So there are those moments, that's what I feel, that you feel sort of scared that I'm putting up such a brave front, but I'm not. What if they find out? What later if they find out I'm not that brave? What if in some moment I may show up as weak? So sometimes that sort of an energy you feel. as if you're wanting that comfort from someone, hugging your friend, hugging your mother, hugging your companion, saying, okay, yaar, I'm just showing up so brave, but actually I'm not so brave. I have my weak points, I have my weak moments, something of that. So you're trying to play smart here because you know that is the right thing to do. That is why you are playing smart. I don't feel it's bad, but yes, it is being a little shrewd and smart. Perhaps that is what is the need of the hour. In the near future, what I feel is I do see victory here. I do see victory here. Whatever efforts you are pushing in here, you are seeing achieving victory. You are taking a stand that this is what it is. Talk straight, talk right. Look into my eyes and talk straight, and you are converting that overthinking indecisiveness into, like, you are converting the swords to the cups. So you are converting the overthinking and non-decisiveness into the emotions full of love. So you are basically manifesting a partnership for yourself. You are making this cup, one cup, as two cups. So you are bringing together a partnership. You are bringing together the loved one whom you want, whom you are wishing for, by doing whatever needs to be done in the situation, and then behaving in the way that, yes, this is what I am. I'm taking a stand here. I will do this. These are my boundaries. These are my rules. This is this. Very straightforward communication. If it has to be, it is this. You also have some rules this time. You also have your opinions this time. You also are showing up strong. Okay. So it is what it is. So you are converting that indecisiveness into that final decision, which is being converted by this behavior of yours. So what I'm trying to say is that if this situation was at crossroads, it is now that those crossroads are over and a decision is coming of you being together. So Cancerians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.